Let's get into this Temu bag. Temu. Sure, man. This is a run to CVS wig.
Honey, I got a forehead.
We want the highest quality and amenities for $12.37, and it just does not work like that all the time, okay? They're gonna put that hair on that cap and go into the house.
Put it in a bag and ship it.
And you just gonna have to... Y'all ain't got my neck! Hey, cousins, hey, it's your girl Mary Kay coming to you with a slay today.
Hey.
To you with a slay today.
Let the church say subscribe.
What's going on, y'all? What's going on? What's going on, y'all? What's going on? What's going on, y'all? What's going on? What's going on? What's going on? Guess what I got?
Temu. Oh.
Y'all ask for Temu. Let's get into this Temu bag. We just finna hop right into it. We got 4 Temu wigs to go through today. This a Temu slayer throwaway for real. To be honest, would this count as a slayer throwaway? I believe this is a Temu slayer throwaway. I'ma claim it as that. I'ma put it up here like this. I ain't gonna stop, ain't gonna quit. I'ma put it up here like this, and then I'm gonna pick one. I'm gonna pick this one. Okay, y'all. This is a reddish brown, straight, short, bob human hair wig with bangs, machine made, Brazilian Remy human hair bob. And the price is right, that's all I'm saying. So it comes with the wig. It comes with a wig. 12 inches, bam, you see that? Ooh, this color. Yeah, it's gonna have to have a little press. It's looking like Sunday school. We need to press it out so it can look like winter conference. No hair tie. That about a blip. Hold on. And I love you for that, baby. Cause honey, this grip cap will hold on to your wig like a good relationship, okay? 3 combs. This is what we are with the inside of it. Bam. Give me all the elastic. Give it. I'm about to have everybody wearing their wigs like this. Just have it up like a bouffant. You know how it used to be back in the day? Y'all, let's make this popular. Let's pop this style off like this. Cause it's off the neck too. If it's hot outside, y'all in Arizona,
Y'all know it be hot.
then go on pull it down then. Dang. If you just gonna pull it down, then just pull it down. Hold on, let me get it situated. This would be a wig for those of you who like low density wigs, okay? If you like low density wigs, but still enough.
We not talking bald head scallywag now.
It's not super thick. Oh, this is on there. Between the elastic band and my wig grip cap, this is on there, honey. So go to a church where you know that preacher is preaching and you can shout in this and it won't even come off. Yeah, and that's how you gotta determine which wig to wear to church, depending on who preaching.
People don't know that.
This is a throw on and go, y'all. Let me put some heat to it. Let's see, y'all. I'm gonna just put a little heat to it. Get those curves out of there. Let's tussle a little bit with it, cause you know, right out the pack, it's not. I love this little attachment on this flat iron, honey. It makes pressing so much easier. Now, you can go through this in big sections. That's the good part about it being low density. Let me get a few more sections, y'all, so I can really have an opinion about this. Because right now, this would strictly be a run to the post office wig. And you just got to drop something, and you're not even getting out the car. You just riding around because it's got the box on the side of the post office. So you're going to ride around the post office and just drop off your letter and going up there to the grocery store and get your organic eggs. I feel better about this. Wig number 1, what y'all think? I'm thinking throw it and go, y'all. Ooh, honey, the static though. Why would you do that? Act like you don't see the static. Boom. What we thinking? This is the face of someone who swear they serving. Throw it and go. Okay. See, in the picture, the bangs are all long. It's not giving that. This is what it look like right here. Bam. The density is perfect for those of you who like low density wigs. Charmaine, what you think? Charmaine said it's a throw and go. You wear this to the grocery store and the library. Ooh, what's this? There's a wig cap in here, okay? Oh, yeah. I'm definitely gonna have to put some heat to this. Like a kinky. This is a bob, another bob, but this has volume and it feels, yes, this is the feel that I want when we talking human hair. Yes, yes, yes. This has enough density. Let me show y'all the inside of the mountain. Ooh. I have one issue with this. Unless this is not the same wig. Hold on. Wait, no. Yeah, that's this one right here. Okay, 180% density, yaki straight, 13x4 lace front wig, blunt cut, short bob wig with baby hair. And for all of that, the price is still right. Dang. But the only thing is, the picture would give you the impression that this is a kinky edge wig, and it's not. What I have is not kinky edge. This is not a kinky edge wig. It's not. Y'all see? There ain't no kinky edge. You see that? Let me throw it on real quick. I don't know, honey. You know.
Maybe they changed their mind. I don't know.
The feel of this hair is excellent. This is lovely. And for the price that it is, yes. Yes, yes. Now, don't go out like this, y'all. Got to take care of this lace, okay? Sometimes with wigs like this, I like to just let go and let God, you know? You know what I'm saying? Just let go and let go. Because he might want a different style. You don't know. Let's talk about these little short pieces in the front. You know what? When you're paying a certain price for a wig, it's some things you're going to have to work around, okay? Let's just tell the truth, shame and devil. It's some things you're going to have to work around. We want everything for $12. We want the highest quality and amenities for $12.37. And it just does not work like that all the time, okay? They're going to put that hair on that cap and go into the house.
Put it in a bag and ship it.
That's exactly where they are with it, okay? And you just going to have to... Y'all got my neck, child. Woo! Why would you do me like that on camera? Look at the little pieces on top. Oh, look like Sonic now. So this one I'm gonna go ahead and do. We're gonna have to do a bust down. You're supposed to put a heat protectant on there, okay? I ain't been doing right. This smells so good. And it helps the press too. Some people think it just helps to protect the hair from heat. That's not all it does. It helps the press. You're gonna take this wax stick. We about to get this bad boy in formation. I need my hot comb so I can get these roots in order. Cause see, I wasn't expecting this, and I know y'all wasn't expecting it either. So let's go for what we know. Cause see, this part was not in the wig, so we are creating something in here that wasn't over there. Takes a little bit of work to get that the way. Thus saith the Lord. Mold it and shape it. You want that? Ooh, come on. You want it to look like you can lead praise team. This the praise team, Bob. Let me get the hair the way I want the hair to be, and then I'm gonna get that hot comb for these roots. Cause can't nothing get into the roots like a good hot comb, y'all.
You need that root work.
Charmaine. Y'all, I'm gonna set Charmaine over here. You see what I'm saying? So we can deal with these little flyaways up here because, hun. Yeah, hun. Yeah, hun. Now, I like this, Temu. I like this right here, TT. TT. That press, but no press. You want that press, but not man-to-man press. You don't want it so tough. You know what I'm saying? You want zone. This is zone press right here. The hair is pressed the way that I want it to be pressed. So now let me go get my hot comb. Let's get these roots in order. Now be careful if you're doing this on your head, okay? You see, the flat iron wasn't gonna get all up in them roots like that. And I'm gonna just run right through there. Bam. There we go. You gotta press those roots down. Go ahead and cut this lace. Y'all, this is so hard for me to do while it's on. I'm trying to step my little game up, but honey, it's difficult. Ma'am, no ma'am, you done left so much lace on here. I'm gonna just take my, like a contour color. You see? That's what you're gonna have to do, sis. If you anywhere near my color. And get up in there. Where you see that lace? Get up in there. You see? My girl Forever Gladys taught me that. You got to get up in that lace, girl. Don't be scared. Don't be scared of it. Get off up in there. Quit being scared. She taught me that. There we go. That's better. Because why did I leave so much lace on there anyways in the first place? For what? There we go. Now, this is gonna... There we go. Bam. Look at that. Come on, Forever Gladys. I didn't define my part though, y'all. Let me get a picture with you. You can really tell it's not defined in the pictures. There we go. I think I'm gonna trim this. Bam. Mm-hmm. Yes. Okay, y'all. What we thinking? Wig number 2. What we thinking? And I literally did the most basic customizations, y'all. I try to keep it beginner friendly. So, bam. What we thinking? Wig number 2. What we thinking? What we thinking? Wig number 2. What we thinking? I love the movement. I love the movement. I'm loving the movement. I'm loving that movement. Give them body, yada, 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 yada. Ah. Wig cap, honey. They gonna give you a wig cap, period. Oh, I got lashes in this one, too. 3D eyelashes. They're gonna get blessed for that, though. That's a gift. They did not have to put it in there, and I appreciate that. 13 by 4 curly lace front human hair wig, 180% density, transparent lace frontal short curly bob wig, pre-plucked. These pictures are giving. They are giving. Here we go. 14-inch. Oh, this feels really nice, y'all. Thick, juicy curls. Look at that, y'all. It's finna be over with. 1, 2, 3 combs. It's pre-plucked just enough. This is not the level of pre-plucktivity that we desire wigs to be, okay? That's pre-plucked just a little bit. They done pluck one strand and call it I like the wig, but don't just throw this on. This is definitely very stretchy, y'all. Look. Y'all see that? Everybody come along. Let me put this little comb in the back. Now y'all know I'm doing the least amount of stuff to it. We finna put some mousse on here. Ooh. Well, ain't nothing about this mousse watered down. I like how thick it is. This mousse is too legit to quit, and I like it. In the middle. You can't get no big long Moses part with this, okay? Ooh, shit. Get in there. Yes, look at that. I don't want to take off all the curls, but even if the hair is like, ooh, this hair is legit for this price, generally the lace is going to be the one to tell the tale, okay? The lace going to be like, watch this. This is glueless, and let me get a picture. Hold on. Okay, y'all. I'm not bad at it. It's good. One more, guys. Rose boning. Headband wigs. Ombre color. I don't know if I got ombre, though. Braided wig. Synthetic micro box braid. It has the standard headband. 1, 2, 3, 4 comb. I don't know, y'all. Headband wigs are very convenient, though, y'all. This is the epitome of a run to the store wig. No lace, no glue, no nothing. None of that fuss. Now, I mean, it all depends on who it's for and how you look at it.
It doesn't do for what it needs to do for.
It is not heavy, y'all. This gives you the old crochet vibe. These are what the ends looking like. You can dip them if you want to. What y'all think? Y'all, tell me what you think about this one. As a headband wig. It serves its purpose as a headband wig. Y'all don't think so? This is a run to CVS wig.
Ooh, honey, I got a forehead.
Y'all, this will throw this on real quick wig. Y'all wouldn't throw this on real quick? I would. This is the first of many Temu hauls. Y'all want them. Y'all about to get them. I'm going to search high and low through Temu, okay? Don't worry. Don't fret. It's coming. Check the link in the description box, y'all. It will give you these wigs, okay? All right, y'all. In the meantime, in between time, peace, love, light. You run me your own, baby. Ooh. Woo, 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 woo. Ooh, chat. Ooh.